What's going on, everybody? I'm going to use ChatGPT to do some high school math. Hit that subscribe button if you like this sort of content. So I've just looked on here for some factoring. So factor the following quadratic expressions. So I'm going to say, I'm going to start a new chat, set it to turbo, and I'm going to say, can you help me factor some quadratic expressions and explain to me how you arrive to each answer? It's going to say, of course I can help you that. All right, so x squared plus 7x minus 30. All right, I'll let you do your thing, man, whatever. Of course, find the values of a and b by looking at for two numbers that multiply to the constant term without x, and add up the coefficient of the x term. For example, in the expression x squared plus 7x plus 10, the constant term is 10, the coefficient of the x term is 7. You need to find two numbers that multiply to 10 and add up to 7, and the numbers are 2 and 5, so we can write x plus 2, x plus 5. Interesting. So to factor the quadratic expression, which is this number 1, we need to find two numbers that multiply to negative 30 and add up to 7. These two numbers are 10 and negative 3. Okay. So x plus 10, x minus 3. Alright, easy enough. So then x squared plus 9x plus 20. So for this one, you'd have to find numbers that add up to 20, or no, find numbers that multiply to 20 and add up to 9. Is that how it is? Which would be 4 and 5, right? So it would be x plus 4, x plus 5. Is that right? I don't know. 4 and 5 therefore would be x plus 4. And wow, I'm already at a high school math level. Wow, that's a beautiful thing. So if you are working on a piece of math homework, ChatGPT can help you. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.